Maximize your shop's capacity and create transparent service experiences that make it easy for your customers to say yes faster. So you can experience that moment when you get approvals on additional service recommendations in as fast as 6 minutes and earn $174 more per repair order with Xtime. Spectrum. Make the most of every moment with one complete end-to-end service experience platform. From appointment booking and self-check-in to online approvals and payment. Earn your customers' trust through transparency and convenience and maximize your team's productivity. With Schedule, Engage, Inspect, and Invite, the 4 solutions that make up Spectrum, the industry's premier fixed ops technology platform. Schedule. Set the tone for the ultimate service experience. Maximize your team's productivity and keep customers coming back with convenient online scheduling features and robust shop capacity management with Schedule. Engage. Personalize every service appointment and pinpoint your biggest profit opportunities. Recapture declined services when you greet your customers in the service drive with their full service history displayed in front of you with Engage. Inspect. Build trust and boost your bottom line. Grow your shop's profitability with digital multi-point inspection processes and transparent customer communications featuring photos and video with Inspect. Invite. Fill your service bays by targeting the right audience at the right time. Send your customers intuitive service reminders and promotions through text and email to fill unsold shop capacity and recapture declined services with Invite. Xtime gives you the tools you need to service more cars in less time so your shop stays efficient and maximizes profitability. Power that moment when you get ASR approvals in as fast as 6 minutes with Xtime, part of a connected ecosystem of solutions from Cox Automotive. Make every moment count with the power of one.